everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this week's Monday must-have is on the October 2018 Boxy Charm. So guys, I already tried everything out. I used everything except for one product in this box. So I'm starting out barefaced and all that. So if you'd like to see, how I went from this to my thumbnail picture using products inside my October Boxy Charm, then please keep on watching. Also make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bar, bookmark my page. I upload a video, guys, 7 days a week, every day of the week. I don't want you guys to miss any. Let's go ahead and get started. Guys, let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what I got for October's Boxy Charm. Okay, so they always come packed in a cute little box. Let's see what this month's theme is. Okay, so it is Alter Ego. Nice. Okay. Ooh. Okay, guys, so first thing I'm seeing is some Green Clean by Pharmacy. This is Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Okay, I've never tried anything like this. I hope it's not... Oh, it's made in Korea. I hope it doesn't, break you out. Okay, so nice. It has, a little... Okay. Smells a tiny bit like herbal and minty. I will definitely try that towards the end of the video to take off the makeup. Obviously, I have my eyebrows done and I have my foundation on, but that's it. Ooh, oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so it's a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I got it in the shade Hawkwind. Okay, I've never tried Kat Von D liquid lipstick. I do have one of her concealers and a lip liner, so okay. Also a It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Nice. I've never tried It Cosmetics mascaras either, so nice. A Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. Intense exfoliation facial mask with compression lace support. 2 lace masks and a tube. Nice. Okay, I can't wait to try this out either. I might not try it in this video, but I will definitely post on my Instagram and everything like that. Nice. Okay, guys, last thing is Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Okay, let's see. Hate when they're taped. I mean, I appreciate it because that means it's new, but okay, guys. So it looks like there's blushes and eyeshadows. Cute packaging. That looks pretty. Everything looks a little dark, but we will definitely try it out. So, okay, guys, let's look at prices now. Okay, guys, so the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara retails for $24. The Dermovia Lace Appeal Mask is $30. Holy crap, guys, $30. That's crazy. Okay, guys, then we have the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Palette, and this is $38. Oh my goodness. We have the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is $20. And then finally, the Pharmacy Beauty Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm is $22. Okay, little tiny mirror, but those are the 6 shadows. Looks like only one of them is matte. And then looks like you get 2 highlights and 2 blushes, so that's pretty. Okay, guys, so I think I'm going to go ahead and let's just start with the eyes. So I think I'm going to go ahead and dip into Reveal, which is this pretty blush right here. This does look like it has this tiny bit of shimmer, so it looks kind of like a satin, but we'll just go ahead and... I like the kind of lacy imprint that these have on them. That's pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and... Okay, that looks like it's going to be a nice blush color. Seems to be a nice little transition shade as well. You guys, obviously, you can use makeup however you want. So where there isn't very many, there's only that one matte brown shadow. So, okay, that is really pretty. It blended nicely. I think that added some nice warmth to the eye area. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to dip into the dark brown, which is called Sneak Peek. Okay, we're just going to put that into the crease. You guys, it is so cold. It is ridiculously cold. Ooh, that is pretty. It is pigmented, guys. Okay, just back and forth. Okay. Shadows pigmented. My eyes are primed and set. Okay, just takes a little bit more blending out, so it's definitely not bad. I'm just gonna start winging this out a little bit, adding a little bit underneath the eye, just to start getting that shape that I want. And guys, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. We're just doing this one on, so we can see how it applies. But I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more of that blush called Reveal. Let's just get that brown blended out a little bit better. This is a really pretty palette though, so far. I'm digging it. Okay, obviously we're gonna be using a shimmer on the lid. I think I'm gonna do, let's just do some quick swatches. So guys, we have Expose, which is a pretty silver. We have Mask Off, which is a pretty green. I think I'm going to use the green. Okay, we have Disguise, which is a pretty purple. Okay, we have Showtime, which is kind of like a pretty blue. And then the last one is 12 a.m., which is kind of a dark gray. So that's what all of them look like. But yeah, I think I'm going to do that pretty green. I think it would look pretty with this eye look. So let's go ahead and do that pretty green shade. I do like to use my fingers with shimmers. That picked up beautifully. Ooh, wow. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That's not damp at all. That is pretty. Okay, guys, I think we're going to be using that dark matte brown, the Sneak Peek shade, and I think I'm going to just put that in my outer corner. And we'll do a little bit of 12 a.m. Maybe with the matte brown, maybe it will kind of help it to not be shimmery. I just want a little bit darker. It's pretty, guys. Okay. It's really, really pretty, guys. Shadows are great, actually. That is really, really pretty. I like that. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and use the blush. I think I'm going to go with the same shade that I used as a transition shade, Reveal, but let's go ahead and do some little swatches. Ooh, that's one of the blushes. This is the shade Hidden Secret, and then Reveal. It's like kind of a pretty plum. That's really pretty. Okay, guys, I'm going to use Reveal on my cheek. I got a feeling this is going to be very, very pigmented, so we're not going to go in very much. That is pretty. I like that. That's a nice blush. Okay, guys, and then we have the two highlights. So it looks like Twilight and Enchantment. So, guys, this is Twilight. That's pretty. It's kind of like a nice kind of champagne-y gold. It's pretty. And then Enchantment looks a little bit more coppery. Ooh, that'd be beautiful. Obviously too dark for me, but that's gonna make a beautiful shadow. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and try Twilight. And let's see how this looks. It looks a little dark, but hopefully it blends out okay. Ooh, that's pretty. I feel like this is one of those highlights that would work great a little bit damp. That is pretty. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of Twilight to my inner corner. Okay. Pretty. I like that. Okay, guys, I'm going to go off camera, do the other eye real quick, and then we'll come back. I'll try out the mascara, the lipstick, and then we'll try the makeup removing balm stuff. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I finished off the other eye and face. So let's go ahead and try the It Superhero Mascara, It Cosmetics. Really, really cute packaging. So it smells like mascara. Has that kind of slender, spiky wand. So let's go ahead and try this. Supposed to like lengthen and plump your lashes, but I don't know. I like drugstore mascara personally, but it seems to be doing an okay job. My mascara, my eyelashes aren't horrible. I mean, they're okay. But yeah, I mean, it seems okay. I mean, seems like a basic mascara. Okay, guys, so there is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, guys. It seems okay. I'm not overly impressed. I'm not hating it. It's just a mascara, so okay. And then, guys, let's go ahead and try the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Hawkwind. Ooh, guys, that is so pretty. Wow, okay. Let's go ahead and swatch her on the hand first. No scent. Wow, guys, that is pretty. I've never tried this formula at all, so let's see. Feels very, very lightweight, first of all. It does seem like it dries very, very quickly. So far, it's really, really comfortable. It doesn't feel overly dry or anything like that. When I do wear a matte liquid lipstick, I do like to kind of overline my lips a little bit, so I know it looks a little weird, but it looks good in person. But I really, really like this makeup look. I do like the shadow palette a lot. The mascara is okay. Love the lipstick. I love the color. Yep. Looks like it is transfer proof, so yeah, I do like it a lot. So guys, let's go ahead and try the let's try the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Okay, so you're supposed to go ahead and massage this onto dry skin, rinse with warm water or wipe off with a damp washcloth. So let me go grab a washcloth and then we will go ahead and try this out. Okay, guys, I just wanted to give you one last final look before we remove it, but yeah, I really, really like the way the eyes turned out. Love the lipstick. The blush is really pretty, same with the highlights. They're a little bit subtle, going lightly with the blush because they are pigmented, but really, really pretty palette. Love that lipstick shade. So guys, let's go ahead and try the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So got my little damp cloth here, and let's go ahead and try her out. I'm sad to take off this makeup, but I want to try this out. So it's kind of, yeah, balmy. Kind of let things kind of sit there for a minute, I guess. Don't want to use too much of this, but let's try it on the eyes. Yep. Looks like it's something's doing it. Do some up on the forehead. Okay. See if it just takes it all off. Look hella scary. Doesn't sting. It kind of melts down right away. Okay, let's go ahead and try wiping the face and seeing how this looks. A lot of it's coming off on my fingers already, so that's cool. Okay. Wow, guys, this stuff does really just kind of melt it down. That's not stinging the eyes at all. Okay. My eyes are a little bit clouded, but it is kind of greasy. Maybe greasy is not the right word. It's kind of emollient. So, this is kind of just like a fancier, to me anyway, this is kind of like a fancier, like Pond's cold cream. Feels good on the skin. It feels a little bit lighter than like Pond's or like a cold cream. But I do like it. I like it a lot. It did seem to remove all that makeup, and I'm started out all scary. Anyway, but yeah, no, I like that. Skin feels moisturized. It doesn't feel like overly greasy or anything like that. So I'm pretty impressed. Wow. Okay, guys, so do I think So do I think that the October BoxyCharm was a Monday must-have? Yeah, I do. Honestly, this has to be one of my favorite boxes in a while. They've been okay, but this definitely was a slam dunk for me. I didn't try the lace mask yet, but I will, and I will be posting on my Instagram about it, so make sure you're following me on my other social media. But yeah, I love this month's BoxyCharm. Really, really good. Thumbs up from me. But yeah, I like it a lot. So guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing try-on, this Monday must-haves. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you guys, you know, share this video. I'd really, really appreciate it. I know everyone and their mom and their goat and their grandma knows about BoxyCharm, but it really is a really great service. $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. So really, really awesome, awesome retail. And guys, also make sure that you guys leave a comment down below. Did you get BoxyCharm this month? What did you think? What did you get? I would love to know. What color lipstick did you get? Let me know down below in the comments. Or if you haven't tried BoxyCharm, why not yet? Dying to know. And guys, also make sure you guys follow me on my other social media. Everything is at Budget Glam Babe, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. That way you can see a little mini review of the Dermova Lace Appeal Mask. That way you can see new pictures of my new kitty and all that. And guys, yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a gourmet on a budget. And until I see you guys next time, have a great one, guys. Bye.